We're doing a hiking video again, yay!
Hi.
And this is Pender Hill. We tried to do it before, but it was rainy, so we kind of didn't turn that into anything. Today is a gorgeous day, and we're gonna have a great hike. Packed some lunch, some sandwiches.
My whole reason for coming is Sal told me I could have a sandwich at the top. So that's all I care.
Food, food, food.
Food, food.
Pender Hill is in Pender Harbour on BC's Sunshine Coast. From Highway 101, turn at the PetroCan onto Garden Bay Road. Stop for a quick washroom break, grab snacks, and for sure water if you haven't packed any. Garden Bay Road is windy. You drive along Garden Bay Lake, Mixal Lake, and Hotel Lake. Garden Bay Road turns into Irvines Landing Road, then take a right on Lee Road, and finally a right on Coastview Drive to park at the Pender Hill trailhead, 4331 Coastview Drive. We're partly way up. It's nice. We dressed up right for it. We're a little bit cool at the car, but then like 5 minutes into hiking up, we were the right temperature.
Yeah.
This is a pretty little section. One tree, two trees, treetops, blue sky. Handsome guy. We've been hearing an owl or something, some kind of hooting, but I kind of decided in my mind already I won't be able to find it because I've played that game before where I can never find the noise source. What do I know? I kept looking in the trees for an owl, but a few days later I saw on Instagram that Sandy Skeen had went up Pender Hill and took this amazing photo of a dusky grouse. A grouse is what I was hearing, not an owl. Thanks for the photo, Sandy. Next time I'll look on the ground too, instead of just up in the trees. Oh, we're at the top. Very close anyways. Views right away. Wait for it. Wait for it. Are you all ready for this? This is awesome.
It's time playing tricks on us.
I love it.
The way that we're moving, the days feel like hours to me.
It's a short 1.5 kilometer uphill hike that takes about 35 minutes to amazing views. Climb every mountain. How does that go?
Life is a song beautiful to me. Breeze comes to lift us up. In the still of the afternoon, I'm reminded of love. Coming to fill up my cup. Your story is whatever you want it to be.
Well, we're on our way down, and we very much enjoyed hanging out at the top. There's a few other couples and people up there, but not too many. I hope you enjoyed this hike with us. We certainly had fun doing it. Back at the car! And there we go.
We're here. We did.
We did it.